Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will be talking about a very important hormone in our body, the thyroid hormone, and what happens when you have low levels of thyroid hormone in your body. The thyroid gland is a small organ that's located in front of the neck, wrapped around the windpipe, that is trachea. It is shaped like a butterfly, smaller in the middle with two white wings that extend around the side of your throat. The function of thyroid is very important, and it is to releasing and controlling the levels of your thyroid hormone. The main role of thyroid hormone is to control many vital functions of your body, including your metabolism. And so, the metabolism is a process where the food you take into your body is transformed into energy. This energy is used throughout your entire body to keep many of your body's systems working correctly. So, there are two hormones that are secreted from the thyroid gland. They are created by thyroid, regulates how much energy is being used in the body. So, when your thyroid works properly, it will maintain the right amount of hormones in your body. And so, the metabolism of your body works in a correct way. So, thyroid disorders are very common. In fact, about 12% of people will experience abnormal thyroid function at some point during their lives. Women are more prone to develop thyroid disorder than men. Thyroid problems can occur when these hormones levels are too high or low. On this basis, symptoms of thyroid disease can be divided into two groups. So, those related to having too much thyroid hormone, that is hyperthyroidism, and those related to having less hormone, that is too little thyroid hormone, that is hypothyroidism. In this video we will take a short look at how low thyroid hormone levels, that is hypothyroidism, affects our body and what are the symptoms it produces when you suffer from hypothyroidism, and what are the signs that you can feel when you have low thyroid levels in your body. So let's begin and look at the most common 10 symptoms you experience if you have low thyroid levels or hypothyroidism in your body. But please, before going to any conclusion, always try to consult a good doctor for professional opinion. So very first symptom is feeling tired. One of the most common symptom of hypothyroidism is feeling very low. Thyroid hormone controls energy balance and can influence your sleep, whether you are ready to go to sleep or ready for a nap. Thyroid hormone receives signals from the brain and coordinates cells to change their functions depending on what else is going on in your body. So, those with high levels of thyroid hormones feel nervous and jittery, and those with low thyroid levels feel exhausted and sluggish, very dull feeling. So those who have low thyroid levels, they can feel unrested even though they have an adequate amount of sleep. Second symptom is gaining excessive weight. Unexpected weight gain is another common symptom for hypothyroidism patients. So when the thyroid levels are low, metabolism changes its mode, so your basal metabolic rate also decreases instead of using for the energy purpose. As a result, your body tends to store more calories from the diet as fat. Because of this, low thyroid hormone levels can cause weight gain. So the third symptom is feeling cold. Heat is a byproduct of burning calories. However, in cases of hypothyroidism, your basal metabolic rate decreases, reducing the amount of heat you generate. So the low level of thyroid hormone cause you to feel colder than others around you. The next symptom is weakness and muscle pains and joint pains. As already mentioned, that low thyroid hormone level changes the metabolic rate and flips the metabolic switch of proteins towards catabolism, which is when the body breaks down body tissues like muscle for energy. So during catabolism, the strength of the muscle decreases and that's lead to the feeling of weakness. The process of breaking down the muscle tissue can also lead to aching or muscle pain. Next symptom is hair loss. Low thyroid hormone level causes hair follicles to stop regenerating, resulting in hair loss. This will typically improve when the thyroid tissue is treated. Consider hypothyroidism if you have experienced unexpected changes in the rate or pattern of your hair loss, particularly if your hair becomes patchy or coarse. The next is itching and dry skin. Like hair follicles, skin cells are characterized by rapid turnover. Due to low thyroid levels, normal cycle of skin renewal is broken and this may lead to longer time to regrow. So it means that the dead skin may take longer time to shed, leading to flaky dry skin. The next is feeling down or depressed, as hypothyroidism is linked to depression. But reason for this is unknown, but it might be a mental symptom of an overall decrease in energy and health. So next is lack of concentration and poor memory. Many patients with hypothyroidism complain of lack of concentration and poor memory. The way this mental concentration present itself varies by person. Number 9 is constipation. So low thyroidism can cause constipation. So if you experience constipation but otherwise feel fine, try these natural laxatives before worrying about your thyroid. If you don't work, your constipation worsens, or you go several days without passing a stool, or you begin having stomach pain or vomiting, so consult a good doctor. The last symptom is heavy or irregular periods. Both irregular and heavy menstrual bleeding are linked to hypothyroidism. So thyroid hormone interact with other hormones that control the menstrual cycle, and abnormal levels of it can disrupt the signals. Also, thyroid hormone directly affect the ovaries and uterus. But there are several problems beside hypothyroidism that cause heavy or irregular periods. If you have any of these symptoms, do consult your physician for further evaluation. So friends, here are the 10 signs and symptoms that may indicate that you have low thyroid levels. To know more about other thyroid related problems and how to manage them, stay tuned on my channel for upcoming videos. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. You might just help someone who is confused about their symptoms. Subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.